Bonjour tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, c'est vendredi le 6 septembre. Le mot de passe, au revoir. La chanson, hopefully you've listened to it a few times and know those months at this point. Aujourd'hui dans l'histoire. Remember, that means today in history, and we're going to have a little discussion along with it. I'm going to have you do some Quizlet vocab review today, and then we'll do your quick write and your weekly check-in. Aujourd'hui, c'est vendredi le 6 septembre. Le saviez-vous? Un ours polaire peut sentir des phoques d'une distance d'1 mille. Okay, un ours polaire peut sentir des phoques d'une distance d'1 mille. So a polar bear can smell seals from a distance of 1 mile. C'est très impressionnant, pretty impressive. This is not necessarily aujourd'hui dans l'histoire. There's nothing special about les ours polaires le 6 septembre. This is just a kind of fun fact kind of day. So you're going to watch this video, Une invasion d'ours polaires. The video is in French, but the visuals are going to be enough for you to understand what's going on in the news story. Okay, so you're going to do your first quick write en français. Before you do this, though, I talked to you yesterday about signing up for our class in Quizlet by using that blue button on Schoology. So, assuming you have done so, you can click on that button again and do a little more review. And just like I showed you yesterday, you have Quizlet sets. Oh, an unexpected error. How about that? You have Quizlet sets that are, let's see if it comes back up. Okay, well, you don't need me to see me do this because you can do this on your own, but you have Quizlet sets that cover a number of different topics that we've covered so far. There is the most recent one is going to be for la personne spéciale. So those are, I don't know what's going on with Quizlet right now. Those are the terms that we're learning to describe ourselves and others, where you saw me do the interview with my daughter, and then I wrote a little summary about her. It's those terms. So there's a set for that. There's a set for les nombres, the numbers. There's a set for branche ou crocodile. There's one for the days of the week. There's one for the months of the year. I don't know if I've put that one up for you guys yet, but all of this to say that I want you to spend some time on Quizlet studying, doing whatever, and I was going to show you some examples, but obviously Quizlet is not cooperating right now, but I think you're all familiar with it, and I did show you some of that yesterday, so hopefully you saw that in my video yesterday. But use whatever tool you'd like to on Quizlet in order to practice with some vocab, and then you're going to do your first quick write en français. So you're going to go to your quick writes section. You're going to put the date, oops, and I goofed on the number here. Put the date at the top of that page en français. So vendredi le 6 septembre. And then I want you to just set a timer for 30 seconds or use my timer that I have embedded here and just write any and all French words you can think of within that amount of time. You don't need to do anything with your quick write yet. You will eventually be taking pictures of your quick writes and submitting them, but that will not be until October. So for now, just do your best, write for about 30 seconds, and no worries about spelling or making any kind of sense at this point. We're just kind of throwing down any words that we can recall. And then lastly, you have your weekly check-in. It's the green button here on Schoology. Again, just to see how you're doing and if there's anything that you want to share or that you have a concern that you want to share with me, then I would be happy to see that there. Ok, c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. That is it for today. Bon week-end. Au revoir tout le monde.